Today we're going to talk about ways to describe our appearance and personality. Our characters are going to discuss them in class. Let's study their conversations and learn the new words.
Hello, children. I have great news for you. My colleague from an English school wants to launch an international project. Some students at their school want to get to know you. They are interested in sharing information about books, hobbies, and interesting activities that you like doing in your free time. Does that interest you? Sure it does. But how are we going to talk to them?
I don't like writing in emails, and I think letters are old-fashioned.
No, kids. I've got a surprise for you. We are going to have an online chat with them. Hi, Mr. Brown. Nice to see you.
You too, my dear. Meet my students.
Hello,
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, kids. Nice to meet you too. And meet my students as well. They're eager to talk to you. They have too many questions to ask you. What school rules have you got?
Do you have to wear a uniform? How many times a day do you have meals at school? Anne will be the first to tell you about herself.
Hi. In fact, I don't know what to tell you. I'm just Anne from England. I'm 12 and I'm interested in sports. I am quite good at many subjects, but I think most of all, I like math, maybe PE as well. I have a lot of friends. I like parties, chatting with friends, going for a walk, and eating out somewhere at a fast food restaurant. I'm a very sociable person. I'm not the best student. Max is, and he's right here next to me.
Hi guys, I'm Max. Don't embarrass me. I'm not as smart as everyone thinks. I just get good marks, and that's all. I'm really interested in playing chess, and I like board games very much. I'm not very good at sport, and I would always prefer reading to any kind of sport. Who is that girl over there? The one with short, straight hair. This is Mary. She's really talented and creative. She's smart and clever as well. But she's not very communicative and doesn't like meeting new people. We hope to hear from you soon. Contact us, and we'll be happy to discuss various aspects of school life and common interests. Bye for now. The Russian teacher and the pupils were happy to meet new friends. All of them are very interesting, but differ in their personalities. Let's revise the words related to describing their personality and appearance. Let's start with Max. He is tall. He is well built. He has dark curly hair. He has big eyes. He is a teenager, so he is young. Now Anne. Anne is short. She is slim. She has long, straight brown hair. She is really good looking. And finally Mary. She is of medium height. She is a little overweight. She has short, straight, ginger hair. And here are the words that are used to describe personalities. Boring. Clever. Creative. Friendly. Hardworking. Kind. Selfish. Shy. Strange. Stupid. Talented. Talkative. Unfriendly. Let's move on to a few exercises to practice these words effectively.